Guitar players usually start their journey into improvisation and soloing by learning a pentatonic box shape. And it's exciting because the box shape is a shortcut that allows you to start soloing immediately without really knowing anything else. Just mix those notes up and it will probably sound cool. But like with all shortcuts, the excitement soon fades away and you start to feel boxed in that scale shape that you memorized. Hey friends, this is Prokopis from String Systems, and today we'll look at how SFS, or the String Fragment System, helps you break out of the classic pentatonic box shapes. If you like this lesson, you can get the complete mini course for free using the link in the description. So you learned the boxes, but now you feel stuck in them. What do? Well, standard advice is usually to learn some other people's licks and play them. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, okay? Looking at how other people play can be very useful. But without some deeper understanding, you're in for a long, confused journey and a lot of wasted time until you finally begin to actually know what you're doing for yourself. So let's look at how this effective method called SFS, or the String Fragment System, works. It's an easy system that helps you learn any type of scale faster and move freely on the fretboard without staying stuck in box shapes. First of all, did you ever wonder why the 5 pentatonic boxes look different? I mean, if it's the same scale, it has the same notes, the same intervals, why don't the boxes look the same? Well, they are the same, you're just looking at them the wrong way. Let's take box 1 of A minor blues scale, for example. Next to the root note A, there's another note 3 frets up. We'll call these two notes String Fragment 1, or SF1. Now let's see if we can find that same string fragment in the other boxes. You see, it's in all of them, just on different strings. Now, let's take the next string fragment up, which we will call SF2. Now, let's play SF1 together with SF2 in every box. You see, again, it's in all of them. Well, if we continue to do this, you will see that all 5 boxes are made from the exact same string fragments. You just need to learn how to stack them correctly. This is the first level of the string fragment system. Instead of memorizing the 5 different boxes, which are chunky and difficult to manipulate, you learn to jump freely to any area of the fretboard and build that scale shape in real time by stacking string fragments. This is so much easier than memorization, but it's also more musical. That's because this approach helps you understand the structure of what you're playing. I'll just give you one simple example application of this approach. I'll play a melodic idea using just SF1 and SF2, starting on the note A. Then I will jump to other A's around the fretboard and embellish that same idea. This is something that would work well in a solo. You see, I just jumped to those A's and played the 2 string fragments, which are very easy. Now, if you tried to do something like this using the boxes, it would be much harder. But with SFS, even a beginner can do it. And I believe that our job as teachers is to develop practice methods that are faster and more effective than the old ones. I know that we can't reinvent everything, and I have great respect for all the methods and teachers that helped my generation of musicians. But there's always space for improvement, and in more than 20 years of teaching guitar, I have found that SFS has helped my students reach their soloing goals faster than any other approach. So in the next lesson, we will take a deeper look at how we can apply this system. For now, you can look through the diagrams on this lesson page and explore how all the box shapes are constructed from the same 5 string fragments. Hey friends, this was an excerpt from my free mini course called SFS Pentatonics Crash Course 2.0. If you want to get the complete course, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching, and remember, enjoy your practice and be effective.